Do I know that how to apply for Tesla internship program, fully funded scholarships, internship test in Tesla company in multiple countries like Belgium, USA, Canada. No application fees, paid internships. First, open your browsers and search ineedscholarship.com. Go to these websites. If you are new here on my channel, then subscribe and click on bell icon button for upcoming scholarships and updates. All the latest scholarships and internships are uploaded on these scholarships. If you want to see latest scholarships and internships, then must visit these sites ineedscholarship.com. Now we want to apply Tesla internship. Please search here Tesla internship program. Click on this link. Click on this post Tesla internship program 2021. All the detail of the internships are mentioned here, so read about also. Now the application is open for Tesla internship program 2021. All students are eligible. All international students can apply for this internship about Tesla company. Tesla nationality holders. All nationality holders can apply for this scholarship. Asian, Europe, Africa, and other countries. All the students are selected there on merit. Work at Tesla company. Please read carefully all these instructions. About Tesla, organizing Tesla internship program offered by Tesla company. Fully free Tesla internship in Tesla company. Tesla's company is a multiple position like in Canada. Then click on engage with advanced scholarship, Monash scholarship, with Oxford University scholarship. Financial coverage of intern. Each intern will receive a acquisition stipend for their work. All international will receive a housing accommodation. Intern will receive a relocation supports. Financial supports, please read carefully. Accommodations, intern will receive a Tesla internship durations. The multiple courses are available in which durations are 3 to 12 months. Qualifications are ability of effective communication verbally. All this instruction, please carefully note. Strictly requirement. Almost all students can fulfill this requirement. Tesla internship program criteria, please. Each applicant must have communication skill. Application must have enrolled bachelor program, master program, or pursuing any degree, undergraduate, master, etc. Management skill and also excellent. Internship responsibly. Internship must be under the work of. If you get this internship, then you must be under the work Tesla company. How to apply this scholarship internship programs? If you want to check the official announcement of the internship, then click on this link. The official website of links are opening, and if you want to apply for this internship, then click on this link to apply. The official Tesla internship programs websites are open. You can do it and read all this instruction. How do I apply? All the information are given here. You can check it on the official websites. Now we check the apply link. All the programs are given here. If you want to a construction project, controls engineering, construction jobs, all the courses and internships are available. You can apply according to your choice. All programs are given. Internships, courses given here. You can click on this link to apply for the internship. For example, if we want to apply on this courses. Click on this link. After the click on this link, read these categories. Click on apply buttons. After click on apply button, if you have already created an account, then write here email address and password. If you are new here on this portal and never create before account, your first time application, apply here, then you click on quick apply. Right here your first name, middle name, last name. Middle name is not necessary. First name, last name, preferred name, phone number, email address, street address, city. Fill all this data and resume. Upload your CV here and fill all this data and also upload your CV and click on next button. Then the next procedure is open and okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for upcoming updates.